Hey guys, welcome. And today I have a treat. I am at Reynolds Nature Park in Miami, Aventura, Florida. And we're going to take a look today. This place is beautiful. We're going to have a look around, folks. Pretty cool. This is very nice, folks. This is a huge overlook. Very nice. We're going to walk to the trails. Watch your step, folks. You fall down these stairs, that is your head. This is all concrete. Bricks, coil rocks, all of that. I'm gonna go around a circle. And go back down. There are people here. Very nice rock. Feel like you're in a castle up there. All right, we're gonna start this walk trail. It is a hot day today, folks. Very hot. But there's a lot of people out here. There's a very nice cabin over there, folks, for a function. If you guys want to have a function or something like that, I would suppose you go to the office and rent it out or something like that. It's a very nice nature park so far. Can't wait to get on one of the trails, see what we see. But first, I'm gonna walk around here to this water and back and take a look at this huge function cabin, or whatever you may call it. Yeah, the typical iguanas, you know, they run for their life when you don't even have to chase them. Just, they take off. They have this locked off. You can't go out there. It's locked up right now. But I'm sure we'll see plenty of other areas where there's the water. This is very nice. Looks like you can rent this out. Huge iguanas down there. How you doing? Definitely gator territory. All right, folks. We're going to enter the walk trail. I guess this is one of them. Hmm. Let the coolness start once I get up in here. It gets real cool. All right, folks, you know how I do it. What do you think so far? You think Bigfoot be in this location as well? Is that a damn chicken up there? Folks, there's a chicken on a trail. I've been to plenty of nature parks, but I have not seen chickens yet. And I might have to go around the other side of the trail because this is like this ends, but here's a damn chicken. Is this where Popeye is getting his chickens from? Wow. That is a pretty chicken too. Hey, chick, 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 chick. Hey. Look at that. I'll take a picture of you, buddy. You might be the cover of the Illustrated on here. He is not running. He is not running. He's not scared. Oh, they have the bridge shut down. Unsafe structure. Oh, look at this. Here's another one. And the way she's sitting, maybe she's sitting on the eggs, I don't know. Just resting. Another beautiful chicken. They have chickens here. You would think a gator would come right out that water and just grab that easy meal right there. That is an easy meal, folks. That is Chester the chicken right there. All day. Golden chicken. Why is this? I guess it's the bridge that's unsafe. I'm gonna take another trail. They said they have another one, but Wild Man doesn't like that. And I normally would go around that, but I'm gonna go the other way because they said that it's locked right there, I guess, but the trails go the other way as well. I think the structure of the bridge, something might be wrong with it. I don't want to take the chance of going across it today. A lot of people here. Wouldn't that be embarrassing to get my leg caught at the top of the fence while people walking up on the little barbed wire pieces? There's a raccoon. They're coming out. He's huge. He just ran. He just ran. I'm seeing wildlife here, folks. I mean, I don't know about the chickens. I've never really seen those at the nature trails. That's something new for me. But they're here. So there's plenty to eat for these animals out here. I don't know what the raccoons are eating, but if they're into chickens, he got a whole 6-piece over there. They probably steal their eggs as well, I suppose. All right, we're going to take the other side of the trail. And is this the trail? Yes, it is, I guess. The guy said one went this way and one went another way, right? Huh. I don't know what this leads to. Hopefully this leads around that bridge that was shut down or turned off to it somewhere. And I don't remember no trail being down that way. We'll go back this way because the guy said there's a trail that way. And I don't know what this is. Hold on. This is somewhat type of trail too. It's a beautiful bird, folks. Look at that. It's beautiful. Hey, beautiful. I think this is the other end of it. Let me take a look at this first. Yeah, I think this is part of one of their trails, this wetland, and it's all bad, folks. This is why it's shut down over here. This part is all bad. This looks like they haven't been back here in years. Yeah, they let this go. This can definitely be Bigfoot's vacation area where somebody can't go see him. So I'm gonna walk on the other side and go to another trail because that one's definitely suspect. You seen that, folks? Those planks look like they all over the place. Wild man's wild, but he's not a fool. Yeah, that definitely looked devastating. So I'm gonna walk the path around and check it out. Lots of people coming in and out. Hopefully we can find another trail this way. Oh, here's one right here, folks. All right, let's see where this leads to. They're hiring here, folks. They're hiring. All right, let's go, shall we? Oh, this looks like this might be mosquito world, folks. I'm pretty good at that, but this don't look no different than some of the trails I've been through. But it looks like it's a little wild looking. There's no gators in this area, but we probably see, if we see anything, we probably see more chickens, lizards, probably a raccoon. The bushes don't really look like they're trimmed a lot, but they're trimmed. Huge spider. Huge spider. Look at that. Oh my God, he's big. He is big. Oh, I'm too close to him, and I don't want that to get on me. He is jumping all around. Oh my God, he's huge. He's yellow and black. Look at that, folks. There's two of them. I'm going under this because he is not going to get me. And look at that. He is huge. I've never seen a spider like that yet since I've been here. He is definitely Spider-Man. Look at that. Huge spider. That let me know to watch out where I go. See, this is why I'm always visual, folks. And you're always supposed to be visual when you're at these trails, especially at one like this. If you bring somebody, put them behind you so they don't walk into nothing. You'll be witness it first. This is a little wild back here. It might go into a wetland, I don't know. But I'm walking it, folks. This is definitely, there's a crab hole and a snake hole. See those holes? Those are the holes that the crabs, they have crabs here. Those are not snake holes, those are crab holes. Might get lucky and see one. Oh, wow. You might get lucky and see one. That's too soft. Branch was too soft. I see a tree that's failed over the path, guys. I'm gonna have to walk over it. This is wild. This tree went down. It looked like somebody actually cut this tree down. I don't know if they're blocking something, but it didn't say, but something's definitely living in this tree. Look at that. Something's living in there. That is different. I've never seen that. This is an interesting wild trail. I'm gonna tell you something, folks. You don't want to touch nothing in here because, you know, like I said, there's over I might get the number wrong again, but hey, let's just say there's hundreds of plants that are poisonous in the poison ivy family in Florida. I'll take that back, not hundreds, because I think it's only like 30. Let's just say 30 to 50 plants that's poisonous. Some that can get you sick, some that can harm you all the way, some that can kill you. Some that's used for medicine. Some that'll have you itching all day. Some that'll have you breaking out. So yeah. Sometime people run and get excited. Oh, that's beautiful. Touch it. That's all it takes. And believe it or not, most of these plants are all the beautiful ones. Oh yeah, colorful ones. I didn't believe it till I seen it, folks. Wow, here's something back here. Look at this dark lizard on this tree. He is dark. He's just hanging out. Look at him. He ain't ran yet, folks. Look at that. This lizard did not run. He must be a very, he must see people a lot. There's another spider web hanging. Oh, yeah. Well, folks, I'm going to end this one. I'm past my mark. You know, I don't like to do lengthy videos anymore. Join me for part 2 coming up. This is part 1 of Reynolds Nature Park. Catch you later.